Okay. I have to make sounds early. I'm going to hire a worker now. And I was doing hammers. That's cool. So the first one is bones. The second one is just kind of bad. Oh, I think I know what it is. It's like bug honey or something. The third one is just like, you know what I mean, like baseball bat thing. And let's collect it. Now let's scroll up. The next one is an egg. And the next one is a campfire. Wow. Let's scroll up again. And the hammer gives us 1 million. And then let's upgrade. Now let's scroll down. Let's collect. And now let's scroll back up. And let's upgrade. Scroll down. Collect. Wait a moment, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's collect it now. That was 1 billion? Okay, let's scroll back up. Oh, let's try that again. Okay, so let's upgrade. 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 Scroll down. Collect. Collect. Scroll back up. Upgrade. Upgrade. Okay, I got the maximum. Scroll down. Scroll down. Collect. New floor. It's worth 1 billion. Well, let's do it. Let's unlock the new floor. And boom. Don't care about these sounds, guys. Guys, these stupid ads are so bad. But anyways, you know what it's time for. Our special game. Okay, let enter load. Oh. Cards popped up. Let's pick a card. And we get 25 Monkey Bunny, bro. That's good. I can buy a whole entire primary tower with that. But I have nothing to upgrade. Okay. Let's go monkeys up. Submerge and support. Add submerge targeting option that permanently reveals camel balloons in its radius but does not attack while submerged. That's cool, that logo. Click on monkeys. Let's see what Monkey Ace has in store. Bomber Ace, that's so good. Oh. Stupid Ripple.
Chuck this cat out. I didn't realise she was in.
Why is this locked?
The doors are always locked. Oh,
Why there's smoke?
the fag thing's on fire.
Oh, I thought there was Daddy smoking outside. But anyways, guys, our favorite game. So let's go to War Monkey. What do we want, guys? Do we want Balloon Buster? Or do we want Rapidly Reload? Increases the attack speed of the mortar. Okay.
That's out there.
Increased accuracy makes the shots more accurate.
Right, let's see what we did. 1, 2, 3. Kyle spelled his words while playing his drum. That's what I mean. But
Okay, let's just see. Ow, guys. I just hurt my elbow by the stupid chair. But anyways, support Monkey Village, Banana Farm, Spike Factory, Engineer Monkey. Okay, let's get double gun and sprockets. What would that look like? Would that look like this green hat with this goggles and headphones on? With faster centuries? What if you get century trapping with ultra boost with XXL trap? That would be so good. But anyways, let's get into universal XP conversion. Okay, so let's just pick them. I don't care what we pick. I'm just choosing random ones, okay, guys? We're gonna choose random ones, okay? So, okay, guys, we're on the game. So, I'll close my eyes and I'll pick. So, what am I picking, guys? Okay, I don't know what that is. And where is it? Oh, wait, what? What did I press? Wait, what? I'm back at the home screen? Oh, maybe I disconnected. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, guys, we're doing it again. Okay, guys, I'm going to choose random ones, okay? What was that? No, what am I doing?
you're not taking.
Yeah, I am. Okay, guys, we're in a match. Guys, you might be in a match right now, but I don't know. I don't think you're in a match. I'm in a match in 3, 2, 1. Nope. Okay, we're in. I'll put Quincy down. Okay, the round started. Red balloons. Let's get a ninja down. Oh. Okay. Let's get Seeking Shuriken, Caltrops, Ninja Discipline, Sharp Shurikens. Oh, he's doing the same strategy as me. But has he got Quincy to put down? He might not have enough money to get Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we're fine. We're a bit fine. Why? Okay. I don't know why I removed it, but he's copying my strategy. He is copying my strategy. No. I hate him. Seeking Shurikens, Caltrops, Ninja Discipline, Sharp Shurikens. I can place it there. But I could place it here. I want to get a counter espionage for this one. I don't know why. Okay. Just gonna get Sharp Shurikens, and we got it. Okay, we'll use Quincy's ability. Oh, rude alchemist, bro. That is insane. That can buff monkeys, by the way. Should we get Bionic Boomerang or Kylie Boomerang? Let's get Bionic Boomerang. Because it can throw extremely fast. Bionic Boomerang. Replace its arm with a strong bionic arm that can throw boomerangs extremely fast and do more damage than Moab class balloons. Kylie Boomerang throws heavy Kylie Boomerangs that follow a straight path instead of curved. I don't care about that. I just want to get Bionic Boomerang. And this is insane. That is insane. I need more. I need more. Please. Yes. Oh, that's a ninja. Brown monkey. I could definitely place it down somewhere. But where is the... It keeps reconnecting! Stupid butt! I got the fact. I got the fact. Because the stupid internet. But anyways, we got 992, 0 for the super monkey, 208 for the boomerang monkey. Wow, that slaps. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna quit. Oh, that's 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys. I guess I will see you later. Bye.